Space is silent, or so they say. No air. No sound. Just endless darkness. But what if that's not the whole story? What if, out there in the void, the universe was screaming, singing, or whispering? And we just couldn't hear it? What if you could actually hear the sounds of the universe? On Earth, sound travels through air as vibrations. Underwater? Sound moves even faster through dense molecules. But in space, there's no atmosphere. No air. Just emptiness. So by human standards, yes, space is completely silent. But that doesn't mean the universe isn't vibrating, or that it has no rhythm, no energy, no patterns. Scientists use a method called sonification. It's like translating space into music. Light waves, X-rays, magnetic fields, all invisible to us, can be turned into sound waves we can hear. It's not sound in the traditional sense, but it gives us a voice for the cosmos. A galaxy becomes a chord. A pulsar becomes a ticking metronome. A solar flare becomes a roar. Cyclone the Sun, recorded by NASA, sounds like a massive firestorm, crackling with energy. Globe showing Europe, Africa, Earth, from space, hums with electromagnetic music. A black hole in the Perseus galaxy emits a deep, ghostly rumble. A B-flat 57 octaves below middle C. That's a note so deep, you'd need 10,000 years just to hear one cycle. These sounds aren't made up. They're the raw voice of the cosmos, converted into audio by scientists. Now imagine if humans could hear the full range of frequencies in space. Every nebula would whisper. Every star would hum its own note. Planets might pulse like drums. Pulsars would tick like clocks. The night sky wouldn't be silent. It would be alive, with a cosmic symphony. The universe has a voice. We just had to learn how to listen. And once you've heard it, you'll never look at the stars the same way again.